Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, which is video number 5 on data handling, and we are discussing mean, mode, median. In the previous 4 videos, we have discussed mean, mode, median and range on the raw data. What do I mean by raw data? When the data is given like this to you, right? It is not given in the table form. When data is given in the table form, it is called frequency table. Now you need to understand what does it mean. Let's see what is it about. So it is about throwing a 6-sided die, and how many times it has been thrown? 50 times. So when 50 times it was thrown, out of those 50 times, the side 1, the side which has 1 written on the dice, how many times it appeared? 7 times. Then side where 2 was written, how many times it appeared? 7 times. Similarly, number 3 came 6 times, number 4 came 9 times, number 5 came 11 times, number 6 came 10 times. So if I write it down in a line, just to explain to you, so what does this mean? This means when the die was thrown, it was like this. Now it doesn't mean that first of all 1 came, then all 2 came. No, it was random. Maybe when you throw it, 4 comes on the top side, 3, 1, 6, any. But this data has been arranged here, that how many times 1 appeared, how many times 2 appeared, and so on. Now, which data is a model score or mode score? Mean which one appeared most of the time. So rather than counting from here, if data is given in the table form, look at the highest frequency. Frequency means number of times it is appearing, right? So highest frequency is what? 11. So your model score is not 11. Model score is what? 5. Because number 5 on the die came most of the time when 50 times die was thrown. So you will write your model score is 5. So it is same as mode in raw data, which we have studied already before. Now let's come to the mean. Now in case of mean, if you will try to write down all the data the way I have written here for you and then add up, it will not be wrong, but it will take a lot of time and maybe you will not be able to complete the paper. So what is the best way? Okay, so now see here for the concept building, right? Number 1 on the die came how many times? 7 times. So if you add it up, it will be what? 7. And if I look at here, it is what? 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. Correct? Now if you see here, 2. How many times 2 has come? 7 times. You can add it up 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Will take a lot of time. So what can you do? 2 multiplied by 7 or 7 multiplied by 2? No problem. Let me write data and then frequency. Let me write in the first case also in the same way, so that we can follow the same method. So it is data multiplied by times it is appearing. So 7 and 2 times 7 is 14. So sum of this is 14, sum of this is 7. We are scoring how many times it appear, right? Adding up all the scores. Then comes to the next one. If you see here, 6 times it is. So I can do 3 multiplied by 6, right? 6 3s are or 3 6 are 18, rather than doing 3 plus 3 plus 3. Similarly, I will do for the rest of the numbers. 4 times 9 is what? 36. Then let me write it here also in case if you want to understand it. And then it is 5 times 11 is 55. So sum of all these numbers is 55. And then the last one, which is 6 times 10 is 60. So it means if I want to add up the score which I got when I was throwing die 50 times, I can say it is 7 plus 14 plus 18 plus 36 plus 55 plus 60 divided by how many times you have thrown here? 50 times. So you will do 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 10. Right now it is given to you 50. Sometime it is not given, so you have to add up these numbers, right? The common mistake students make is what? Let me tell you that also. What students do, they count this as one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they divide the sum by 6, which is a mistake. You are adding up the frequency, right? All the frequency. So you can write here directly 50 if you have done mentally, or if you want to do 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 10. And then you write your answer. Now let me tell you in mathematical language, how does it represent? It says sigma. Sigma means sum. Sum of x multiplied by f. You see, this line is my x, the data is represented by x, and the time it is happening is called frequency. So what I am doing here, x multiplied by f, x multiplied by f, x multiplied by f, yes or no? All this first line is my x, these are my x, and these are my frequency. So I will say sum of x multiplied by f. So all the x multiplied by f I have written here, and then I have added up, divided by sigma f. Sigma means sum, this is a Greek letter, and f is the frequency. So I have added up all the frequency here, right? So formula is written like this, and then you show it. After that you add up. So let me add up. 7 plus 14 is what? 21. 21 plus 18 is what? 39. 39 plus 36 is 75. 75 plus 55 is 130, and plus 60. So it will be 190. I hope I have not made calculation mistake. If I did, you can mention it in the comment. I would be happy to receive that. After that you will divide 90, 0, 0 I have cancelled. So you can divide it by 5, and your answer will be 3.8. So you can take help of the long division, because calculator will not be allowed to you. So you can do 5 3s are 18, sorry 15. So sorry. So decimal 5 8s are 40, right? So this is how you will calculate the mean score. So let's see how much you understood. Acha, by the way, this is all I have written to explain to you. Don't start writing like this. It will take the whole time of your test or quiz. Now this question is here. Put the video on pause and solve it. I have already solved the solution. I'll show you the solution. So first you solve it and then see the solution. Okay. I will not wait for that long. Otherwise video will get very long. Okay. So now I'm showing you the solution of this question. I have tried to explain it in the same detailed manner. And in this question again, number of pins drawing is your x data, and how many times it was coming, that is called your frequency. So I hope you understood. In the next video, I will solve another question on the same type of scenario. So I hope it will be a good revision. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Take care.